now invite Mr. D.R. Bhaskar, Nodal Officer, Smart Cities, Faridabad Municipal Corporation, to please come over and give his views.
Good afternoon, everybody on the dais and off the dais. I am talking about Faridabad Smart City, which has been declared in the list of 13 smart cities recently. These are the gaps in previous, not required to discuss. This is the situation of Faridabad. 15% of trips undertaken by public transport and 51% of trips by private vehicles. 35% of trips undertaken by NMT and only 8% of roads have footpath. Average trip length is 14.54 kilometers. 17th rank on pollution level among industrial clusters. As all of you know, there are two concepts in smart city. One is area-based development and second one is pan city. And we have proposed 1,267 acres of land to develop as a area-based smart city. We have taken sectors. We have taken Badkhal Lake to revive. Before 2005, this lake was a very beautiful picnic place in NCR. But due to legal or illegal mining on Aravali Hills, the natural sources of water was disturbed and this lake has been dried completely. We have proposed to fill it by reusing the wastewater of all this area proposed in this area-based development. We have near about 10 MLD of sewerage and stormwater discharge, which we will treat and transfer it for filling this lake. We have proposed to urban village and also considered a slum area to develop properly. In area-based development, smart mobility, pedestrian NMT, intelligent traffic management system, intelligent car parking, smart signage, smart auto taxi stand, public bike sharing system, all these have been taken up. And pan city solution, which is the main component, is smart traffic and smart management system, area traffic light control system, smart parking management system, passenger information system, traffic rule violations detection system, e-vehicle and NMT module, and Faridabad traffic and transit operations and management center. Area traffic lights control system, we will require, comes your in this project. We have 102 traffic junctions which will be developed at ATS. Smart parking management system, traffic flow monitoring system, traffic rule violation detection system, passenger information system, bus arrival, interactive route information kiosk, GPS tracking of public transit. Faridabad has 160 buses and about 122 bus stops, shelters where PIS is proposed to be implemented. Journey planner, e-vehicle module, and Faridabad Traffic and Transport Operations and Management Center. This is our special purpose vehicle structure. Funding plan. Our total budget provision is 2,600 crores. 1,000 crores will be funded by Government of India and Government of Haryana, and balance amount 1,600 crores are to be arranged by ourselves, either through borrowing loan or land monetization. We have a very good data bank of land. This is National Highway. Faridabad is located along National Highway number 2. Half portion of Faridabad is on western side and half portion is on eastern side. This is the present situation of this National Highway. This is metro corridor, and we have proposed to develop this corridor like this. Intelligent car parking, smart auto taxi stands, smart signages, station area accessibility planning, public bike sharing system, smart civic infrastructure. I have already talked about Barkal Lake rejuvenation. This TOD intense zone. We have got approved a policy, transit oriented development. As I have talked about this National Highway. Along National Highway, FAR has been increased. So the sale of FAR will help to develop our Faridabad as a smart city. We will develop this lake like this. This is slum area. Open gyms, multi-modal hub at railway station. We have proposed to link railway station and metro station through sky walkway. This is old talab, which will be developed like this. Thank you. Just I want to share one thing more. Last year in July, during monsoon, we launched a program for plantation of trees. In one day, we have planted 2.25 lakhs trees, which was recorded in the Limca Book of World Record. So I would like to appeal all of you to go green and to plant trees during this monsoon. Thank you.